Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Mortal Kombat Onslaught error running app or logging into account bug. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to check your internet connection. So, the first thing you should do when facing the error running up, logging into account bug is to check your internet connection. Just make sure that you are connected to a stable and reliable internet connection. And you can try resetting your router or modem to see if that helps. And you can also try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network and using a wired connection to see if that fixes the issue. And then if it didn't, what you can do next is to log out of the game center. So this is for iPhone only. So if you're an iPhone user, this error mostly hits iOS users. So but there's an easy enough fix right here. So log out of the game center by going into the settings and then go into the game center and then tapping on your Apple ID, and from there tap on sign out, and once you've logged in, just try launching Mortal Kombat Onslaught again and see if the error is resolved. And then next, what you can do is to clear cache and data. So if you're still facing the error running app logging into account bug, the next step is to clear the cache and data of the Mortal Kombat Onslaught app. And to do this, go into your settings on your device and then simply click apps and find the Mortal Kombat Onslaught. And click on it and click onto the storage, and from there click the clear cache and clear data. So this will clear any temporary files and data that may be causing the error. And then next, what you can do is to update the app. So if clearing the cache and data doesn't work, try updating the Mortal Kombat Onslaught app on to its latest version. So to do this, go to the Play Store if you're using an Android, or the App Store if you're using an iOS device, and simply search for Mortal Kombat Onslaught and click on the update if there's an update available. And once the update is complete, try launching the app again and see if the error is resolved. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.